Just today after India Today reported that there was massive drug abuse that was taking place near the DMK office in the city of Chennai, the locality near central Chennai has now been cleared up by the authorities. India Today showed how people were consuming drugs sitting in vacant spaces right next to DMK's office in the city of Chennai. Opposition parties including the BJP and the AIADMK are now accusing the DMK-led Tamil Nadu government of allowing free flow of drugs across the length and breadth of the country. In a very worrying revelation, more than 50 drugs in India, which include essential supplements and widely used medications, have failed the quality test which is being conducted by the India's drug regulator. My colleague Milan Sharma has filed this report.
The medicines you take may be a batch that failed the drug quality checks. Among the drugs that failed the tests are fever medicines, calcium and vitamin D3 supplements, anti-diabetes pills, and high blood pressure pills too. Notable products include Pandi Antacid, Shelcal vitamin D3 tablets, Glimepiride for diabetes, Telmisartan for hypertension, Metronidazole for stomach infections. These medications are manufactured by several companies including Hetero Drugs, Alchem Laboratories, Hindustan Antibiotics Limited, Sun Pharma and several others. The Central Drug Standard Control Organization, or CDSCO, has released its latest monthly drug alert list, flagging 53 drugs are not of standard quality or NSQ. These alerts are the result of random monthly sampling carried out by state drug officers across the country. This situation raises serious questions about the quality control measures in place at these manufacturing facilities.
Approximately 2.4% samples from what were drawn during that survey did not comply to the specifications. These are not conclusive tests. There are companies that would go forward and test some, and challenge some of these reports, and they would further go to the central testing laboratory, and there would be adjudicated whether the result was correct or it was not correct.
The companies have largely denied responsibility, claiming that the batches in question were not produced by them and are, in fact, spurious.
For example, out of the 53, I think 4 samples have been flagged where the manufacturers have said that though their names were put on the packaging of those batches, they have not actually manufactured those batches. So this is what we call them as spurious or counterfeit drugs. They would pick up well-known drugs or well-known manufacturers and use their name to manufacture drugs which are obviously not of good quality and pass it off in the market as if they were from the original manufacturer.
For those of us who end up taking these medicines, doctors say substandard medicines will definitely not work effectively and can be harmful as well.
We have to maintain the quality. If it is not maintained at any stage, then the medicine tested from the shelf will be substandard, and in some cases it cannot produce the desired effect or it could be harmful very rarely.
A statement by the CDSCO on the latest quality check failure advises muted caution. It says the DSGI continuously monitors drug quality, and while the NSQ drugs are mostly minor in nature and not life-threatening, this vigilance is crucial for public safety.
There is a trust factor in public which gets spoilt because of such reports that come out, and therefore both the drug manufacturing associations, pharma companies have to step up so that their compliances are watertight and they don't fail these quality checks, because ultimately it's the people taking these medicines for healthcare and emergency purposes. Milan Sharma, India Today.